Hello and welcome again. Now, today I just want to talk about how you can start making 5K a day, or how you can make your first 5K. But don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. You won't have to spend a lot of money, or you won't have to spend any money, but you can use a free community and ChatGPT. And if you want somewhere to host, you can host your products or whatever you create. You can host it on Stanstore, or you can host it on Google sites. You can make it okay. Stanstore, you can get 1 month free, but Google site is free of charge. So if you're in, let's begin. Now, with free community, this, I'm telling you, is totally free unless you're inside and you want to upgrade. I have learned a lot from this community. And this 5K community is like you can see, like testimonial, somebody. This person made she's 54 years old and she made 2.9K on video in 10 days. Then you get the formula on how she did it. The owner of the community is Alan, and she teaches you for free. She teaches you how to make your first 5-day challenge. See, I've taken the 5-day challenge. You have to start here. Then I've taken the 5-day challenge. And with that 5-day challenge, I've managed to create, if I can go to Stanstore. Okay. Yeah. Here is my Stanstore. Okay, remember what I said? Stanstore is you have 1 month free. Then it's around $29 per month, of which it's worth it. I was able to create my first product, which is a one-on-one confidence to first step call. A beginner like me who didn't know how to create a product of their own. And you don't need like 5.2 or the paid version of ChatGPT. You can go with the free version of ChatGPT. What important is on the school community, you will be given prompts that you can put or you can add. You know, ChatGPT work very well with prompts. You can give it a prompt that it will give you clarity. It will give you a follow-up question that you can start, even if you don't know what to start, even if you don't have any idea what to start. This is just an example of one of the questions, like the questions you get, okay? So I was just checking it. Okay, it's on recording. So like what, let's see, I can just talk to it. Sometimes I'm lazy on typing. Let's see. Okay, I think my internet is a bit low. What are the 5 reflection questions that I can answer to make or to create a product from the scratch? I have no idea. I need clarification. I need to know what products I can sell or what product the idea of the product I can sell. Okay, this is just an example. It's not kind of good. Let's see. what it will give us. But remember, in the community, you will be given given GPTs by Alan that will help you create your first product. Okay? And let's say if it will give us something tangible, okay. I've just guessed from my head. I've not copied the chat GPT, but that's what you will get from them. You'll get from the community. Okay, the community entails the core idea, plain language, what you're doing, what people struggle with, what they'll pay to solve. You see, now these are the reflection questions that you get. Now you have to answer all these questions. And you answer and you give back ChatGPT the idea of what you've answered. Let's say, for example, number one, what problem do I keep seeing or experiencing over and over? That, like, example is think rational, confusion, inefficiency, or pain. Now, you see, it is asking you what kind of problem you see or experience all over. Because if you have a problem that you've been able to solve, that means you can help somebody else solve the same problem. I hope you get it. Eh? That's where the ideas come from. Okay, what do people regularly ask me for help with? What do people ask you? Okay, in my line of work, my professional line of work, I am a psychological counselor. And people come to me with a lot of questions, a lot of ask, why is my marriage not working? Why is my relationship not working? Why am I going through this? You know, a lot of questions, eh? So with those, that's what I'll give ChatGPT, what people ask me. And have I ever gone through something like that? And can I help somebody with the same issue? So what frustrates me that should be this hard? What problem do I already have language for? So remember, it is just even pinned for you. Products are solution, not problem, no products. So if you want to create a product, you need to be able to give people solution. You need to be able to know the problem people are going through, the issues people are going through, and can you help them? Let's say you had problem with hair loss, okay? Like for real, this is my real life. My hair it takes time to grow. I've grown these dreadlocks for almost 15 years and it's not that long. So my head has a problem of growing. So if I have managed to get a product that can help my hair grow, then I can help somebody else who has an issue or who has the same issue as me, who has the same issue of hair loss, of your hair not growing enough. Are you getting it? So that's the whole point of getting a product. You are giving somebody solution. Okay? So that's a product. Just think about what you have gone through, what you've done, what you've changed, and how can you help somebody else? So with that said, first of all, I will leave a link on the description. I will leave a link for the community so that you can join. It's free. And I will leave a link to the Stan Store. Also, I leave a link for my first product that I created. That is, if you want clarity and you want one-on-one call with me, Because remember, I have been there, I have done it. And now I'm helping somebody else to do the same thing. Okay? So do not forget to, uh, just a second, I'm trying to stop the sharing, not the sharing, the recording. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel, to like, and go to the free community and learn. Remember, you learn a lot. I'm also learning YouTube acceleration. Where is it? YouTube. Overcoming YouTube acceleration. I've just started learning it. See, they're free. But inside there are also premium products that you can purchase. You even taught how to start your own community. Mm. There is also Spanish information about your 5K. Like I'm also going through the how to make your 5K core training. I started with 5-day challenge. Now I'm doing how to make your 5K core training. So don't forget to join the community. Okay. So I'll see you in the next video. I'll be talking about how to use ChatGPT or how to get the best prompts so that ChatGPT can give you the best results. Okay? Okay. Let's stop recording. See you.